Today, we are diving into an exciting topic that can elevate your home bakery business to new heights: theme cakes or customized cakes. Have you ever wondered why some bakers are so successful in their home baking business while some are not? Well, customizing cakes is a game changer. So, stay till the end of this video and I will tell you why. Firstly, let us talk about what theme cakes are. These cakes are not just regular cakes, but they are edible masterpieces customized to your customer's specific theme or special occasion. From birthdays to weddings, a theme cake adds a personal touch, making your celebrations even more memorable. So, why should you, a home baker, consider adding theme cakes to your home bakery menu? Simple. You know what? It is an amazing way to boost your home bakery revenue. Home bakers who offer customized cakes create a niche for themselves, which sets them apart in a competitive market. Remember, today's customers love something unique, especially when it is related to food, and they are actually willing to pay more for such kind of unique experiences. Customized cakes cater to your customer's imagination. It's not just about flavors, but it is about bringing their vision to life. Like in this case, I made this cake for an order for my customer. The cake flavor was hazelnut truffle, which was covered by whipped cream. But this is just a flavor. The theme of this cake was Spider Man. And because it was a theme cake, my customer had ordered not one but two cakes for which the total price he paid was well above 5000 rupees. So I did the chocolate drips and spider web on tall cake, and the another flavor was black forest cake with chocolate collar, which was also a photo cake. Now, as a home baker, such kind of personalization can lead to a loyal customers and word of mouth referral, which is very important for the growth of your home bakery business. But here is a catch. In spite of knowing the importance of customized cakes, many bakers fail to make tasty and beautiful cakes because they do not have the right knowledge. Always remember, to create stunning theme cakes, you need the right knowledge. That's where enrolling in paid advanced decoration courses becomes so important. These courses, they provide insights into design techniques, working with different mediums like photo cakes, whipped cream wedding cakes, perfect buttercream frosted cakes, fondant cakes, and also gives a lot of insights about mastering the art of customization. But investing in your skills will definitely pay off in the longer run. So, my dear home bakers, do not consider this as an expense. Look at this as an investment, because a wise man has said that your income is directly proportional to the level of your knowledge and your expertise. So consider this as a shortcut in your baking journey. Advanced courses can fast track your progress, helping you become a skilled home baker much faster. Remember, becoming a master in your craft, it is not just about making cakes or having too many recipes. It is about creating experiences. So, whether you are a budding home baker or an experienced one looking to expand your home bakery business, understanding the world of theme cakes is the key. Incorporate advanced cake decorations or theme cakes in your home bakery to be discovered by those seeking the magic of customized cakes. So, if you are ready to take your home bakery business to the next level, consider enrolling in advanced courses. I am conducting a free showcase to show you how we are conducting advanced courses in our academy and how my students are getting transformed in their baking journey every single day and how they are making awesome revenue from their home bakery. Below this video, you will find a link to join that particular session. Click on the link below and I will see you inside the session. Like this video if you have found this information very helpful. Share it with your fellow bakers and don't forget to subscribe for more such informative content. Click that notification bell to stay updated on all things related to baking and cake decoration. Until next time, happy baking!